gang, welcome back to my channel. For new viewer, what's good? Make sure that thumbs up, subscribe button, be part of the next thing, because next thing is with the gang of all gangs. I think you guys enjoyed my last beauty week video, so I'm going to do it again. It's obviously not a week because I'm stupid and I don't schedule everything within 1 week. I schedule it throughout the month. And another disclaimer, 10K is just an estimate if I was adding up all of these procedures and all that stuff. Another disclaimer, I do not do these things because I think I'm just the most hideous thing walking on earth. I do it because I like to do it, and these things make me feel better. I feel like I'm pampering myself. There's nothing wrong with pampering yourself. Someone else was like going back and forth with somebody talking about she's getting these things so she thinks she's ugly because she thinks all these things make her fine. Yes, the I do, you damn skippy. Of course I do. Getting your nails done is a pamper. Getting your face done is pampering. Getting all of these things done is pampering yourself, and that's fine. If you can afford it, go do it. If you can't afford it, save up some coins and go do it because it makes you feel great overall. So with that being said, right now I have to go to my something cavitation and ultrasonic something and skin tightening. Long story short, it's gonna get my waist nesters attached. I got my waist trainer on. Right after that, I want to go work out for the first time. I want to see how it feels. Tomorrow we have a hair appointment. I'm gonna get a root touch up, maybe a trim. I don't know what all I'm gonna get, but we're gonna figure that out together when I get there. Whatever I need. If I need a treatment, then I'm gonna get a treatment for sure. I need my roots touched up. But I'm excited. Give this video a thumbs up, por favor, porque it helps me out. All right, so now I'm about to get the ultrasonic cavitation that I was telling you guys about. Then she's gonna follow up with wood therapy and then skin tightening treatments.
We don't have to meet at the bar getting drinks. We don't have to sleep together for the night, then forget each other's names. Oh no, this doesn't have to be a millennial love affair.
And now I'm at the gym training for the first time in years. That video had just dropped on my channel, so go check it out. Little did I know that I was gonna pass out shortly after stepping in. Oh hi, good to see you there. I'm at the curly hair salon and I'm gonna get my roots touched up because I am going on vacation soon and I can't have my roots looking crazy.
We don't have to meet at the bar getting drinks. We don't have to sleep together for the night, then forget each other's names. Oh no, this doesn't have to be a millennial love affair. This doesn't have to be the night of fun and then we leave.
Okay, so I'm back in the car. That whole process took about 2 to 3 hours. That's crazy how it took that long because you would never know. So if I had to do the whole shebang where they washed it, they cut it, they dried it, they color it, they do the most, it would probably take a good 5 hours. When you get your hair done or anything done, just prepare for you to take all day. Another thing, I would love if you guys can comment some fire top rated makeup artists in Atlanta, because there's sometimes that I don't want to do my makeup and I want to go and get it done. I'd spent around $350 here just for them to lighten up my roots and to wash it and put the color on it. So that's crazy, but that's the price you gotta pay when you go to curly hair salons. Just expect to pay a lot. I didn't even get any treatments or anything done today, so if I got everything that I wanted to get done, if I had time for that and if I would have came on time, probably would have spent a good $500 to $600. But yeah, let's see what we got next. Nail update. It's been about a week and maybe some change and my nails are lifting. This one broke. Actually, they started effing up after 2 days, so I don't think I'm gonna go back to the same girl. This one fell off. She said she was gonna come and fix it Saturday, but it seems like she went to go party instead. I knew something was off though because it's like lifting. I was like, do I need to soak it off so you can put a new one? And she's like, no, I'm just gonna fix the problem. Don't know how you're gonna do that. It's just gonna come off. So yeah, I probably won't be going to her anymore. I I just got reminded why I wanted to start learning how to do my own nails so I don't have problems like these. So I ended up going online and ordering a bunch of stuff for nails. I already have some, but I don't want to do the gel method because it takes really long. It's super messy and sticky. So I just got like the acrylic stuff where you need to use the brush and do the powder and stuff. So we're gonna see how that goes. I'm gonna make a video doing that, but in the meantime, between time, I'm about to go home and rinse this off and do my hair. So see you in a second. I'm home.
Nobody cares.
And I am putting the products in my hair. I love the way it came out. Yes, now it looks like I really have a wig on because I have no roots. So first I'm using Diva Curl. I know I'm using Diva Curl because I want to, and it works for me. The first product I put on was Pillow Soft Curls. This is not my curly hair routine because this will be the first time I use all these products together. I don't know how the results are gonna come out, and if you guys are a dedicated curly hair girl, you know that even if you use the same products for years, it never turns out the same every time. Now I'm using Inner Sense volumizing lotion. It's got a nice subtle smell. It is the next day. I didn't show you guys the results of my hair because it doesn't matter. You guys see my hair when it's fluffed up. By the way, I didn't like that combination of products that I used. It made my hair like too defined. Like I couldn't really fluff it like I wanted to. My legs are still sore. It's been a couple days since that workout. Today I am back at the place where I get my massages and skin tightening treatments and all of that. But today I'm gonna do the sauna bag. So I got my towel. I've been drinking water. I gotta change the clothes because I'm supposed to be getting really sweaty. I'm excited, but I'm nervous. Oh, and today's Valentine's Day, so happy belated Valentine's Day. I might have to censor this because I don't want YouTube to take away my option to monetize.
We don't have to meet at the bar getting drinks. We don't have to sleep together for the night, then forget your time.
Right now it's at 78, so it's almost there. It's gonna go up to 85. You're gonna stay in here 45 minutes. Some people are not big sweaters. I don't know if you're a big sweater or not.
I'm not.
So we'll see. But you're gonna be burning fat. It's gonna increase your metabolism, burn calories. Even once you get out of here, you're still burning calories because your body temperature is gonna be so hot.
It's getting spicy. It's feeling spicy.
You want lights on or off?
Alright, I had to turn off the light so it could be more of a chilling vibe. Hopefully I fall asleep. Probably not because it's starting to feel like it's burning and I've only been in here for 2 minutes and it's not even at its maximum heat. If this doesn't work, nothing will. Like if this doesn't slim your waist, nothing will. I can't wait to see the after result. I'm gonna keep y'all updated.
A few moments later.
My eyeballs are sweating. He was not playing.
You're not even a sweater, but you sweated today, honey.
Yes, look at the bag that I was on. This is it open. It's like so wet. There's where my hair leaked.
About 27 plus half inch.
I did?
Yeah.
Half an inch.
Since Tuesday.
Woo! Moment of truth, y'all. I haven't weighed myself since the surgery and I weighed 126.
You got all that booty thickness, man.
127? I weighed more.
That's this.
The butt. But it's the... I'm disappointed. 127? I gained weight like... I was about to go on the scale right after surgery and they was like, don't do that, you're swollen. And I really was. Like you saw in the videos, I look huge. But it's like 3 months later and I gained like 1 pound. Like she's like, it's all that butt, but they're literally only transferring fat. If anything, I would lose weight, right? You would think. I don't understand how I gained that. Probably all this out food that I'm eating for sure. But I really don't care about my weight too much because I feel like I'm proportionate now. So even if I was like 200 pounds, I was still like, you know what I'm saying? I still have that shape. So that's the good thing about the surgery. But you know, it would be nice to go back down to my normal weight, which is 115. So we'll see how that goes. I'm not gonna really worry too much about it, but I'm about to go get me some Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna stop this video here because I just want to get this video out. I don't want to make it too long like the last one. Let me know if you guys like long videos, if you like short videos, if it depends on what the content is. Let me know all of that information, because I do go through the comments and I do see what you guys like, what you don't like, what you think, and all of that stuff. Another disclaimer, you do not have to get all of these things. Like I said in the beginning of the video, this is just things that I do. I like to try new things. That's the first time that I was in a sauna bag. I do feel good. Like, I don't know, like maybe it's just like a mental thing, but it does feel good. Whether or not it does something, I don't know. She measured my waist in the beginning of the week, and I just came back and I did that and I lost half an inch. So it's really up to you. If you guys have went in sauna bags and stuff, let me know your results and what do you think about it and all of that stuff. Everything that I get, I want to know your guys' side, because everybody's different. As far as the massages, if they work or not, we're gonna see. She's gonna send me the before and after pictures, and I'll put it in the end of the video and let you know what I think about that. But that's my experience. This is my story. I'm just sharing it with y'all. Yeah, I love you, next gang. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.